market yung tinta.
Alam mo, napakagandang katanungan yan. Thank you very much for that question. Ang Live Eats kasi ay nagsimula bilang batch project. Noong 1980s pa. Live Eats 1 is a batch project. Ito po yung ginagawa ng mga aplikante during their application period. At nung time na yon, na isipan nilang gumawa ng Live Eats dahil this is during the EDSA revolution eh. So naisip nilang platform yung Live Eats to, somehow express themselves creatively while tackling the issues of the society. So as time goes by, ang malaking market kasi ng Live Eats is of course, tama yung sinabi mo, UP students, UP alumni members, at syempre kasama na rin dyan yung LGBTQIA+ community. Malapit yan sa puso namin. Kaya nga, I think for the previous Live Eats, siguro 3 or 4 Live Eats ago, we started doing digital. No? We cover the show, we post it online to reach more people. Yun nga yung hiling namin na tulungan nyo kami na spread ang good news para hindi na lang taga-UP ang nanonood, hindi na lang mga academicians or students ang maging market ng Live Eats. It has to be every single Filipino. From masa, from class A, B, C, D. I think makaka-relate sila sa Live Eats kasi when it comes to UP comedy, it's really relatable that actually everyone will enjoy the show. So kung paano yun, di ko na siguro problema, no? Dahil as a performer, parang ayoko na siyang isipin. Pero yun nga dapat ang mangyayari, na Live Eats is the storyteller of the Filipino people. It has to be consumed by everyone. Whether digitally, pwedeng online yan, kasi gano'n naman diba ngayon, yung napapanood natin sa theater or minsan sa movies, yung mga movies na pinapirate pa, so hindi na pinanonood sa mga cinemas. Diba? Ano pa kaya yung Live Eats? Pag pinost yan sa TikTok, kinakopy na rin yan ng mga ibang content creator. So sana, for me bilang isang artista, I don't care kung paano siya mapanood ng audience. Whether digital or on stage or live or actual, pinirate sa YouTube, TikTok o ano, basta mapanood nila. Kasi ang importante, makarating sa kanila yung mensahe na gusto namin sabihin. Yun.